Sue wants to lose weight. For healthy weight loss, it's recommended that she exercise 200 to 300 minutes per week. For the first 6 days of the week, she exercised this amount of time on each of the days. How long should she exercise on the 7th day to stay within the guidelines? In this problem, we're going to use an inequality to model the scenario. And it's stated within the problem that the recommendation is that someone exercise from 200 to 300 minutes per week. So we'll turn that statement into an inequality by saying that the recommended minutes for exercise is in between 200 and 300 minutes a week. And based on the wording of the problem, it does seem to make sense to include these endpoint values. Now, so far in the first 6 days, the number of minutes that she's exercised are 40, 45, 0, 50, 25, and 35. The question says, how long should she exercise on the 7th day? So that's our unknown quantity, and the sum of all of these minutes needs to fall within this range. When we add all these quantities together, the total is 195. And we still need to add x to that quantity, the number of minutes on the 7th day, and this sum should be within this range. And now in order to isolate the x in the middle, we need to subtract 195 from all 3 places, since this is a compound inequality. 195 cancels out here in the middle, and our x is now isolated. 200 minus 195 is 5, and 300 minus 195 is 105. So the answer to our question is that Sue needs to exercise anywhere from 5 minutes to 105 minutes on the 7th day.